Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Kawasaki KX250 is here, bringing sharper performance, refined control, and serious racing DNA straight from the factory track. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike a true motocross weapon. Engine and performance. At its heart, the KX250 runs a 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, DOHC engine with a high 14.0 to 1 compression ratio. It now uses a redesigned downdraft intake and centerport exhaust for improved airflow and torque delivery. Producing around 43.7 horsepower and 27.8 newton-meters of torque, it's built to launch hard off the line and stay fast through every gear. Technology and ride control. Kawasaki added advanced features like launch control, Kawasaki traction control, and 2 riding maps: normal and aggressive, giving riders total command over different track conditions. You can even connect your smartphone via the Rideology KX app to fine-tune the ECU and track performance in real time. Suspension and handling. The 2025 model borrows the lightweight aluminum frame from the KX450, improving balance and rigidity. The new 48mm Showa front fork and Unitrack rear suspension deliver smoother landings and precise feedback, giving riders confidence on jumps and corners alike. Braking and ergonomics. For stopping power, it's fitted with a 270mm front and 240mm rear pedal disc setup. Adjustable handlebars and foot pegs allow a custom fit for every rider style. And at just 109 kilograms, the KX250 remains agile and razor sharp on the track. Verdict. The 2025 KX250 refines everything riders loved about the previous model with better control, improved handling, and smarter electronics. Though some testers say it's slightly down on top-end power, its stability, suspension, and technology make it one of the most competitive 250 cubic centimeters motocross bikes of 2025.